Hello and welcome to the installation video for the Zermatt table screens. And the things you need to install this screen is a hex key 5/30 of an inch. You will need 3 brackets. You will need 6 screws to attach the bracket to the screen. And then you will need 12 wooden screws to attach the table screens to the table. Okay, so the first step will be to place the table screen on a clean surface. In this case, I've chosen to place it on top of the table. And after that, you grab the first bracket. And the important thing about this one is to place it in the correct direction. So in the top of this, you have a metal piece going up, and this one should be facing upwards. So you just grab the bracket, place it over the pre-drilled holes and grab 2 of the hex screws and attach them with your hands so you feel the threads connecting good. And after that you will use your hex tool if you like, but I prefer to use one of the machines because it's a little bit quicker. And you need to put this machine into torque 14. That's really important. Then you will get the bracket to attach in a good way. So then just start attaching the bracket. Good. And then we have the first bracket on place. Then we just move forward with the second one. Once again, make sure that this metal piece is facing upwards. Put the screws in the holes. Make sure the threads connect good. Then once again, I use this tool. We have the second one on place. Then we go for the third one. And then we have all the brackets installed in a proper way. The next step is to mount the table screens to the tables. And the most important thing is to make sure all the distances on the brackets connects really good with the edge of the table. That's create the correct distance from the edge of the table to the table screen. Following step will be to attach the table screen to the tabletop. So in that case you will need help from a colleague. So I will bring Jonas in here. So we will now put the screens to the table. And as I told you before, it's really important to make sure all the distances are connecting to the edge of the table, like this. Now it's connected properly. Now it's time to attach it with the wooden screws. So now is the screen correctly mounted on the table. I just want to point out the importance of using all the 4 wooden screws to each bracket. so that the table screen will sit there for a long time. And if there is any other questions, please reach out to us at Silencio. Thank you so much.